So in the last video we saw how to make lines and circles and so on. So today we're how to do some video cycling around and so on. This time we're going to look at how to do mirroring. So to start off with, let's create a sketch. Right, so still sticking with 2D. All right, and we're going to create our Tom again, but this time we're going to do it in a different way. Rather than create the whole thing, let's just start by creating our T, right, down to about here. And then remember, I can go down to tick to say I'm done, or I can double click, or I can hit escape. Now I've got my horizontal line constraint, I've got my perpendicular lines. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to create a new line. So I press L for line. I'm going to create it over here. Nice long line. Okay. And this is going to be my mirror of symmetry. So what I want to do to start with is I want to move this over to here. So what I do is I go over and I click on midpoint, the line, and where I want the midpoint to go. So I'm going to say I want the midpoint to be right here. That's right. So you can see now it's constrained to be vertical and it's constrained to be midpoint right there. Now what that's done is it's created this T with the extra lines going up and down, which I don't really want to do. And this is not really going to be part of my line. What I want this to be is a construction line. So to turn it from a normal line to a construction line, I press X, right, which then turns it to construction. All right. Now, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to want to mirror. So go up to Sketch and Mirror. We highlight this. I don't want to mirror the construction line. I just want to mirror everything else. So I'm going to go to here. Notice it didn't grab everything. What I can do is I can just hold Shift and click the extra lines. All right. And now it says over here with mirror, it says I've selected 9 objects. So that's 9 objects plus the dots. I wonder if I think I should probably do these as well. Right, so it's everything including the dots. Right, and now I want to mirror. So now I select this line to be my mirror line. And then I hit OK. Okay. Right, so now I have my mirror line. Now my T is a bit wide, so if I click on this and push it in, you can see now because it's been mirrored, it keeps its shape. Right, and this T, I'm going to move in a little bit as well. Right, so that's a way of creating our mirror lines. It's really handy because what some people do is they'll get things going on this side, moving it right, and then they'll try and fix it on this side. Creating a mirror, think of when you think of something that's easy to construct, this makes it a lot easier to do everything. So there is how you do mirror. You also saw then how to do midpoint and construct as well. So that should be an easy task. The next challenge will be for you to create your name in letters, right? Just as a sketch. Now I'm going to say stop sketch. And we've got this down here, and you can see we're ready to go.